Hey guys, so I just got my pop on veneers. I'm super excited. I did the top and the bottom. I didn't do the Hollywood, I just did the regular natural white. So they come in this little case. And they give you some cleaning tablets, a toothbrush, everything you could need. So this is what we're working with. Missing teeth, broken teeth, can't chew anything. So this is snapping pretty easily. Top, I like how they get right on your gum line when you do your 3 impressions, which is very easy. Shipping right back in the box. I think I waited 2 weeks total. Top, and you snap right in. It was a little bit hard to talk with them at first, just because you're not used to it, but and just like that. See the gum line? Goes right up. I know it looks, I can't get used to it, but they are a lifesaver. I haven't figured out my next step, if I'm gonna get implants, dentures, but for right now I can smile, I can chew, and I'm also covering any exposed crown or roots that are broken, and I have less infections, and I can smile and not hide my face every time I try not to smile, and I can eat. So I would go check them out, and they're worth every penny, and they're awesome. So that's my pop on.